Code of Ethics and Business Conduct. This Code of Ethics and Business Conduct sets forth guiding principles and policies that govern the activities of Conrad Industry Incorporation and the subsidiaries. The company is committed to maintaining high ethical standards and expect all directors, officers, and employees by virtues of their association or employment with the company to adhere to the highest standards of personal and professional integrity and to comply with this code and all applicable laws, rules, and regulations. The purpose of this code is to promote the following objectives: honest and ethical conduct, including the ethical handling of actual or apparent conflict of interest between personal and professional relationships. Fair, accurate, timely, and understandable disclosure in public communication made by the company. Compliance with applicable government laws, rules, and regulations. The prompt internal reporting of the violation of the code to the appropriate person is identified in the code. And last, accountability for adherence to the code.